And coming up here on our right is the Main Street Railroad Station. It has 4 stops. It goes all the way around the park. Those 4 stops include Main Streets, as well as New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland.
There is a full line to get a picture. You know where is Beauty?
Now, coming up on our right is the Market House. It sells Starbucks products. Just past it will be the Disneyland lockers. They are the only lockers located within the park. And coming up on our left is the Carnation Cafe. It is the only sit-down restaurant here on Main Street. It is also Walt Disney's favorite restaurant in the park. Also on our right is going to be the Plaza Point Holiday Shop, selling ornaments year-round. Just past it around the corner on that right-hand side will be the Baby Care Center, and just past that will be the First Aid Center. We are coming up to our last and only stop. We do ask that everyone please remain seated until the engine has completely shut off. And for those of you upstairs, please watch your step as you exit. And on our right is Sleeping Beauty's Castle. Now, fun fact about that drawbridge, it has been used twice in the park's history. And also coming up on our right is the entrance to Frontierland, home to the wildest ride in the wilderness, aka Frontier Mountain. And just past that is going to be the entrance to Adventureland, home to Indiana Jones, as well as my favorite ride, the Jungle Cruise. And coming up on our left is Plaza Point Holiday Shop. It sells ornaments year-round. And also just past it, on the left as well. Sorry, on the left, it'll be the Baby Care Center. And even further past that will be the First Aid Center. To our right is Refreshment Corner. Yes, it is open during construction. And coming up on our right is Carnation Cafe. It is the only sit-down restaurant on Main Street. It is also Walt Disney's favorite restaurant in the park. And on our left is the Market House, serving Starbucks products. Just past it, further on the left, will be the Disneyland lockers. And yes, they're the only lockers located within the park. Friends, we are coming up to our first and final stop. We do ask that everyone please remain seated until the engine has completely turned off. For those of you upstairs, please watch your step as you exit.